In this next Maya Basics Essential video, I'm going to show you the difference between parenting and grouping. The difference between parenting and grouping is when you parent an object to something else, that becomes a child of that object. So wherever the parent goes, the child goes. The opposite of that is whenever you have a group, you have a brand new node that Maya creates. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. We have this cube, and what I want to do is whenever this sphere rotates, I want to rotate the cube with it. Well, the easiest way to do that is to set up a parent-child relationship. If you have your hypergraph open, to do that, it's so simple. You just middle-click a node, drag and drop it on the node that you want it to be a child of. Okay, so for this example, we'll middle-click the box, drag and drop it onto the ball. Now, when I select the ball, you notice that the child moves with it. Now, there's a problem, because if I wanted to, let's say, move the ball a little further down, well, I have to move the ball and then go back and move the child. So that's sometimes not the best thing in the world to do. You can unparent anytime by just middle-clicking and dragging. Now they're totally separate. So what happened was when I parented these together, notice how the box took on the pivot point of the parent. So wherever the parent went, the child went. All right, let's unparent these. You could also group them. So watch what happens when I group them. I'll press Control-G for group. Now I have a new little setup here. I have a node that says Group 1, and then I also have the ball and the box, which are totally separate. So if I want to move the ball, I can. If I want to move the box, I can. But if I want to move them both, just select the group node, and now they both move at the same time. This is really, really useful when doing work on characters, when setting up your scene, when getting things ready to be duplicated. Having these little group nodes, very useful. So that's the difference between grouping and parenting.